Okay, so all of this is the engine parameters. That comes over here when this is the PFD and this is the MFD.
So you guys can, yeah.
So that'll come over here when this one comes up. Hold on just a second. This one fires up. Okay, so you watch. See, now all of this is going to come over here once it's reading. So here's your map, and then all of that engine parameters are gone. So here's your airspeed, your altitude, your airspeed indicator, and your CDI.
That's a lot easier than checking all the different gauges.
Oh, it really, to me it is, because you get used to it.
Yeah.
Our flight plans, you can look at your maps, come over here and do a flight plan, plug in where we're at and where we're going, and it's just a nice big map.
That's a lot better than having to like lean over your passenger and check your...
Yeah, it's right there. Now we still have the iPad over here where we can see stuff, but it just works out to us a little bit better. Yeah. All right, go ahead and switch the avionics switches off, and then the master, and we put that. We have elevator trim and rudder trim, and it makes it so much nicer on long trips, so you don't get your legs sore having to kind of push all the time. I learned on Steam, and then I got my instrument on the G1000.
Up here. East Kansas City traffic, Skylane November 80 Pop Echo, taking off at 27, East Kansas City.
Runway 27. Entered runway 27, 4,400 feet remaining.
Right, and the wind's what you said?
220.
All right, so a little left crosswind then now. Live and so positive right now.
Boats out today.
No.
Sailboats.
Kansas City approach, Skylane November 80 Pop Echo.
November 80 Pop Echo approach.
November 80 Pop Echo, like pick up IFR to Jabara, that's Alpha Alpha Oscar. We're airborne just off of East Kansas City Airport.
November 80 Papa Echo, please verify your IFR, or correction, your airborne.
Affirmative.
November 80 Papa Echo, squawk 4754, ident.
4754, ident.
November 80 Papa Echo, radar contact just over top of Lee Summit Airport. Climb maintain 6,000, cleared to Jabara Airport via as filed.
Climb maintain 6,000, cleared as filed to Jabara, 80 Papa Echo. Worked out.
Yeah, perfect. We're right over top of Lee Summit. Jefferson County Airport, right there.
Oh yeah. That's where you get the Pilatus or the Piper work done at.
Cessna 0 Papa Echo, proceed direct Jabara, contact Kansas City Center 127.72.
772, 0 Papa Echo, thanks for your help. Kansas City Center, Skylane November 80 Papa Echo, level 6,000.
80 Papa Echo, Kansas City Center, roger, the employee altimeter is 3003.
3003, 0 Papa Echo. doesn't look that bad up there, but boy, you look at that, it sure does, doesn't it?
Yeah, no, I was just thinking the same thing. Oh, we had a nice day today.
Yeah, got to meet his family and really surprised at a lot of the things like on YouTube, like and which ones that we both unsubscribed to at the same time.
It was really kind of funny. Just, I mean, the really nicest family. Showed us around the airport there. I mean, there's some really cool planes at that airport.
Yeah, I'd like to see some of them flying before too long. There's some nice airplanes.
And took us out to his house. He's got a beautiful place out there, right on the river. And
on the Missouri River there,
yeah,
about 3 or 4 acres, just overlooking.
31 Delta X-ray, contact Minneapolis Center on 126.4.
And
I had chickens and turkeys and quail and a couple of good old dogs hanging out. And I told them when we left, don't be surprised if one day you come home and I'm sitting there on their porch.
Frequency 123.8.
yeah.
We went on over to...
Zero Pop Echo, radio check.
Zero Pop Echo.
Roger, good, so I'm clear, thank you.
Did I miss a call?
No, I just seen which radio you were on.
Okay, I thought I'd missed something.
I've got 5 of them.
No, so yeah, I like that view out over the river like that. He's way up on the bank. And he doesn't really have to worry about flooding where he's at. Plus, he's got a pretty good panoramic view, too.
Oh, yeah.
I don't know if that's rain or if that's smoke from fire burns up there.
No, there were a few fires when we headed out, you know, controlled burns, so maybe that's what that is.
Oh.
But we also got to go by this place and see the actual fuselage of Matt's plane and making progress on it.
Yeah, Don has a pretty deep history, aviation history. He worked on DC-3s and Connies. Connies was one of my favorite TWA passenger planes. And so yeah, he's doing a lot of the work for Matt there. I didn't realize that he'd done the work for that plane before when it was damaged. Oh, he knows that plane pretty good inside and out.
Yeah. Eat some really, really good barbecue, so.
Yeah, we'll have to go back there again. Those are burns up there, babe.
I think so. Doesn't look like it's really moved, does it?
It's just kind of hanging there.
Looks like now it's more just rain than...
It looked a little more thunderstormy earlier.
Going 80 Papa Echo, contact Kansas City Center 120.2.
120.2, 0 Papa Echo. Kansas City Center, Skyline, November 80 Papa Echo, level 6,000.
Number 80 Papa X-ray, Papa Echo, Kansas City Center, under the Wichita altimeter 3008.
3008, 0 Papa Echo.
It's a little different.
Yeah, that's because the weather's worse that way. That's where the rain.
Papa Mike, contact
That's over here.
7.85.
I think we got kind of a little horseshoe gully for us to go into.
It almost looks that way, Ron. Be some rain.
Yeah. Be switching over here before too long.
That's what I was thinking.
Number 80 Papa Echo, contact Wichita approach 134.85.
134.85, 0 Papa Echo, have a blessed day. Wichita approach, Skyline, November 80 Papa Echo, level 6,000.
Skyline 80 Papa Echo, Wichita approach, descend maintain 4,000, Wichita altimeter 3005, advise weather, NOTAM set Jabara, and expect the visual approach.
Down to 4,000, 3005, 0 Papa Echo, and I'll advise.
Colonel James Jabara Airport. Automated weather observation 2100.
Bravo, running standby.
10. Sky condition broken 1000. Temperature 24 Celsius. Dew point 18 Celsius. Altimeter 3004. Remarks. Density altitude 2,000.
11,000.
Wichita approach, Skyline 80 Papa Echo has the weather, Jabara.
Skyline 80 Papa Echo, roger.
Destination ASOS is 134.025.
Wichita approach, King Air 36 X-ray with the 15-4 for 6,000. We have the weather, Jabara.
King Air 360 X-ray, Wichita approach, Wichita altimeter 3003, advise weather NOTAM set Jabara, expect the visual approach.
We do have the weather NOTAMs at Jabara, and I'll plan on the visual for 36 X-ray.
Wind 150 at 04.
Okay, there's been Stearman. We're flying right over Stearman.
Papa Echo is going to maintain 3000, Jabara Airport, 12 o'clock, 8 miles.
Since 3,000, and we have the field in sight, 80 Papa Echo.
Skyline 80 Papa Echo, report IFR cancellation, correction, cleared visual approach to Jabara Airport, report IFR cancellation near this rig, on the ground 134.8.
We'll let you know, 80 Papa Echo.
Wichita, Colonel James Jabara Airport. Automated weather observation 2115 Zulu. Wind 140 at 06. Visibility
4, so it'll be a long left crosswind, right? Wichita approach, Skyline 80 Papa Echo. We cancel IFR now.
Skyline 80 Papa Echo, IFR cancellation received, squawk VFR, change of our frequency approved.
Squawk Talk VFR, and we appreciate your help, 0 Papa Echo. Jabara traffic, Skyline 80 Papa Echo. We're going to cross midfield, enter a right downwind 18, full stop, Jabara. Jabara traffic, Skyline 80 Papa Echo is at midfield. Going to enter a right downwind for 18, Jabara.
And Jabara traffic, King Air 36 X-ray, Sean 5 out to the north. I'm going to land runway 18. Any other traffic in Jabara area? Let me know.
Jabara traffic, Skyline 80 Papa Echo is turning base for 18, Jabara.
Okay, we're looking for you for 36 X-ray. We'll come in behind you.
Alright, I'll try to get her down quick for you. Jabara traffic, Skyline 80 Papa Echo, short final 18, full stop, Jabara.
Minimum.
And Jabara traffic, King Air 36 X-ray is going to go ahead and do a 360 out here on final and land 18 behind the Skyline.
And Jabara traffic, Skyline 80 Papa Echo, vacating 18. Sorry, I wasn't quick enough for you there.
Oh, that's not a problem. King Air 36 X-ray is on a 2.5 mile final, runway 18, Jabara.
Job though, baby. You got it right on in.
Yeah, little Phenom 300 there, babe.
Boy, that's beautiful.